one of the struggle women of color are facing during this quarantine/lockdown period is what to do with our hair. So today I bring you easy, quick, pain-free protective style that you can do yourself, and it's easy to do and you're going to love it. This protective style is going to last you for up to 2 weeks, and this is what we are going to do. We're just going to jump right into the video. I section my hair into big sections. I have less than 20 sections, and I put them in rubber band. I'm using the rubber band method. If you don't know how to knot your hair during braid, you can do this method. It is easy and quick. So just section your hair using rubber band and divide it into 3. I've already sectioned my extensions, so it will be easy and quick, and just cross it over. And I'm just going to let you watch the video because it's very hard for me, it's difficult for me to explain. Finally done, guys. I'm tired. This took me 1.5 hours to install. Yes, I'm tired, but it's worth it, guys. This is going to last me up to 2 to 3 weeks, and you can as well cut it and just rock it short. You can do whatever you want even after you're getting tired with the with how long it is. So I'm just going to throw in some makeup, my earring, and adorn this here. We need to jazz it up a little bit. So I use ear cuffs to adorn it. As you can see, guys, it's looking nice and popping, and you can also pack it this way. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.